the nearest star, over a century to the nearest yellow star, and a lot further, perhaps thousands of years, to the nearest planet where humans could actually feel at home. And even if we figured out how to travel much closer to the speed of light, then we'd have to reckon with Einstein's relativity effect. The people we left behind on Earth would age much more quickly than us interstellar voyagers. Space travel would be a one-way ticket. And then, after all that time, when we finally got there, how could we be sure it would actually be safe to colonize? What if it's home to dangerous microbes, or the rocks are rich in arsenic? Well, it's going to be a lot harder than the science fiction of the 1950s portrayed, where it was something similar to when European colonists came to the Americas and you could breathe the atmosphere. Hello, my name is David Brin. I'm a science fiction author, and I'm also an astrophysicist with NASA's Innovative and Advanced Concepts program. Assuming we can get humans across interstellar space, they would spend 100 years in orbit redesigning their children to live on this new world. So you go to a world that's a bit different, and then you genetically engineer children that are capable of living in that environment. Or in our solar system, to be able to live in the oceans of Europa. Europa is a frozen moon that orbits Jupiter. Actually, the vast majority of worlds that have liquid water have ice roofs that protect an ocean underneath. We don't know how many there are in the galaxy because they're harder to spot than the 5,000 planets we've already discovered. But since we have about 10 of them, like Europa, in our solar system, I think the galaxy is absolutely crammed with these ice-covered moons. But modifying them to melt the water to create a habitable moon or planet would be incredible.